It is a big win for members of the Rastafarian community in the country after the High Court pronounced itself in a case in which a parent sued Olympic High School for kicking his daughter out of school for allegedly refusing to shave her dreadlocks. In a ruling by Justice Chacha Mwita that will change the course of history, the court said the school acted contrary to the Rastafari religion in asking the minor to shave her dreadlocks.
I am satisfied the petitioner has made out a case that the respondent's decision to exclude the minor from school for keeping rastas, which symbolize her religious beliefs, and the attempt to force her to act contrary to her religious beliefs is a violation of her consumer right to religion and education guaranteed by the Constitution and is therefore null and void.
In overturning the school decision, the court noted that every child has a right to education and that school rules must not be applied in a manner that infringes on rights contemplated in the Constitution.
An order is hereby issued directing the school administration of Olympic High School to immediately recall the minor to resume and continue his higher education unhindered. A permanent injunction is hereby issued restraining the school administration of Olympic High School from negatively interfering with the minor's education based on her religious beliefs, particularly for keeping rastas. The respondents will pay costs of this petition.
In the case, the child's father moved to court in January this year to sue the Olympic High School Board of Governors, arguing that as Rastafarians, the Bible forbid them from cutting their hair. Meanwhile, the Magistrate Court in Kiambu has temporarily lifted orders freezing 9 bank accounts belonging to Africa Spirits Company associated with tycoon businessman Humphrey Kariuki, who is accused of evading taxes amounting to 41 billion shillings. In a ruling by Senior Principal Magistrate Stella Atambo, the court ruled that the prosecution relied on orders improperly obtained and cannot be allowed to ride on the orders it never sought.
Provisions of Section 181 of the Evidence Act does not allow freezing of bank accounts but for accessing to investigate them only. This court is not sitting on its own revision because such orders from the word go were never granted.
Businessman Mukhtar Saman Olo, who is accused of allegedly forging title deeds for a multi-million piece of land valued over 400 million shillings belonging to businessman Pius Ngugi, is now seeking a retrial of his case. Olo argues the resident magistrate Brian Khaemba, who was handling the case, was suspended. Senior Principal Magistrate Stella Atambo directed the parties to appear in court on 11th of October for a ruling. Earlier, the businessman, through his lawyer, had sought the court to bar the media from reporting the criminal case, an application which was declined by the court. Ben Chumba, reporting for Scales of Justice.